Hey everyone, this is Angel with Tech Tutelage, and in today's video I will show you how to install the latest Java development kit on your Mac, how to check available versions, and how to change default version on your system. To begin, you'll need to open your terminal, and once your terminal, you can type java version. And as you can see, currently we have Java 17 in our system. The next thing that you want to do is go ahead and open your web browser. And here you can search for JDK download. And the first recommendation that you see will be Java from Oracle. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And that will bring you to their download page. And you can scroll down and we're going to want to download the latest version, which is Java 19. And we want that for a Mac OS, so we're going to click on this tab here. And since I'm on an M1 processor, I'm going to download the ARM version of JDK. But if you're on an Intel, you're going to want to go ahead and download the x64 version of the package. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one and download the package. And once I have the package downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and start the installer. And here we're going to say continue and install. It's going to ask you for an admin password, so go ahead and enter it. And once the installation is successful, you can go ahead and move the installer to the trash, close your browser, and we're going to run that java -- version command again. And as you can see, we're now up to Java 19. So we have the latest version running on our system. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to switch between the versions and how to set the default version for your system. So what you're going to need to do is run the following command. First, I'm going to clean my screen actually. And we're going to run usr libexec java home -v, and that will show us the versions available on our system. So we have 19, the one we just installed, and 17, the one that I had from before. To switch between these two versions, you want to run export java_home equals, and make sure you use the backticks here. So backtick usr libexec java home, and it auto-completed it for me and it put the backtick. So I'm going to go back here and just kind of put in the -v, and then I'm going to select the version that I want to switch. So I'm going to do 17. So it should look like this. You can go ahead and click enter. And now if I check my version, and you can see that my version is 17. And again, we can run the same command but change it to 19. And then check the version, and my default version will be 19. Now the switch between these two versions, the way I'm doing it right now, is only for this current terminal session. So like, let's say if I switch to 17 and I close my terminal and I reopen it and I check my version, it will be back to 19 because my system default is 19. Now, if you need to, you can go ahead and change that. And to do that, it will depend on which shell are you using. So what you want to do is first check and make sure if you're using bash or if you're using ZSH. So to check which one you're running currently on, you're going to want to run echo $0. And as you can see, I'm using the ZSH. And to do that switch permanent and ZSH, you're going to want to go into a file called .zshrc. And if you have something in that file already, that's okay. You can just append to it. But if like me, it's an empty file, all you have to do is add the following line. Export java_home equals $usr libexec java home -v, and in my case I'm going to say 17 since 19 is my default version, and then close, and then you can go ahead and save the file. And now if I check my version, and as you can see it's 19, but if I quit my terminal and I reopen it and I check it again and it's 19 again. Let's see, what did I do wrong? Oh, I misspelled libexec. I have two e's in here. Fix that. Save the file, and let's see, now it's 19. And if I exit here and I go in and check my version, and as you can see, I have 17. Now if you're not running ZSH like me, but you're running bash shell, you're going to want to add this to a file located in your home directory, and the name of the file is .bash_profile. So you can go ahead, open this file, and if it's empty, you can just add that exact same line that we just added to our ZSHRC file. Just add it to this file, and if you have something in that file, just append to that file and add that line. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you liked it, please click on the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel.